Welcome to Alberta, a land where the vast prairies meet the towering Rocky Mountains, a province teeming with life and abundant in natural resources. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the 7 pillars of Alberta's natural wealth, resources that have shaped its history and continue to power its economy. From the depths of its ancient seabed to the heart of its fertile plains, Alberta's riches are as diverse as the landscapes themselves. Join me as we delve into the heart of this Canadian province and discover the natural treasures that make it a true powerhouse of resource riches. Our journey begins in the northeast, home to one of the world's largest deposits of oil sands, the Athabasca oil sands. Here, beneath the boreal forest floor, lies a vast reservoir of bitumen, a thick, heavy oil. For millennia, these deposits lay undisturbed. But today, they fuel a major industry, extracting and processing bitumen into crude oil. The scale of these operations is immense, a testament to human ingenuity and the sheer abundance of this resource. Fort McMurray, a bustling hub of activity, stands as a testament to the oil sands' impact, a modern frontier built on the extraction of this valuable resource. From here, pipelines snake their way across the continent, carrying Alberta's oil to refineries and markets far and wide. Beneath the prairies of Alberta lies another treasure-vast reserves of natural gas. This clean-burning fuel is a cornerstone of Alberta's energy sector and a major contributor to Canada's energy needs. From homes heated by the warmth of natural gas to industries powered by its flames, this versatile resource is woven into the fabric of modern life. But natural gas is more than just fuel. It's a key ingredient in the production of fertilizers, plastics, and countless other products. Alberta's natural gas reserves are a vital asset, ensuring a reliable supply of energy for today and tomorrow. Our journey now takes us deeper underground into the heart of Alberta's coal country. Here, layers of ancient plant matter compressed over millions of years have transformed into a valuable energy source. Alberta's coal mines are hives of activity, extracting this black gold that fuels power plants and industries. The rhythmic hum of machinery and the tireless efforts of miners are a testament to the importance of coal in Alberta's energy mix. Beyond its borders, Alberta's coal plays a vital role in global steel production, shipped to distant shores to fuel the furnaces that forge the backbone of modern infrastructure. Alberta's natural riches extend far beyond its energy resources. Beneath its soil lies a wealth of minerals, the building blocks of our modern world. Limestone, quarried from the earth, provides the foundation for roads, buildings, and countless other structures. Salt, extracted from ancient deposits, is essential for everything from food preservation to de-icing roads. Sand and gravel, seemingly humble materials, are crucial ingredients in concrete, glass, and asphalt. And silica, a key component in electronics, highlights the diversity of Alberta's mineral wealth. Venturing north, we enter a realm of towering pines, spruce, and fir trees where the air is filled with the scent of pine needles and the sound of wind whispering through the canopy. Alberta's boreal forest is a vast and vital ecosystem, a treasure trove of biodiversity and a source of renewable resources. The forestry industry plays a crucial role in Alberta's economy, providing jobs and supporting communities. From these forests come lumber for homes and furniture, pulp for paper products and other wood-based materials. Sustainable forestry practices are essential to ensure the health and longevity of this precious resource for generations to come. The heart of Alberta is a sea of golden wheat fields, stretching as far as the eye can see. This is the breadbasket of Canada, where fertile soil and favorable climate combine to create ideal conditions for agriculture. Generations of farmers have worked this land, cultivating crops that feed not only the province but also the nation and the world. Wheat, barley, and canola flourish in Alberta's rich soil, while cattle ranches dot the landscape, a testament to the province's long history of beef production. Alberta's agricultural industry is a vital part of its economy, providing food security and contributing to its reputation as a land of plenty. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, Alberta is looking beyond its traditional energy sources and embracing the power of renewables. The windswept plains of southern Alberta offer ideal conditions for wind energy, with towering turbines harnessing the power of the wind to generate clean electricity. Hydroelectric dams, strategically placed along Alberta's rivers, capture the energy of flowing water, providing a reliable source of renewable energy. While still in its early stages, Alberta's investment in renewable energy is a testament to its commitment to a sustainable future, balancing its reliance on fossil fuels with a growing portfolio of clean energy sources. As our journey through Alberta's natural wealth comes to an end, we are left with a profound appreciation for the abundance and diversity of this remarkable province. From the depths of its oil sands to the heights of its wind turbines, Alberta's natural resources have shaped its identity and fueled its prosperity. As stewards of this land, it is our responsibility to ensure that these resources continue to benefit generations to come. By embracing sustainable practices, investing in innovation, and working together, we can ensure that Alberta's natural legacy continues to thrive, a beacon of abundance for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Alberta's natural resources. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.